I've really enjoyed being in parades since 2023. With all my friends, having a good time. We just have a great time doing these things. So I've been doing these also in 2024. I had made my bike ready for it, and my wife in her trike, so we did a great job then. What I really want to do is put a reindeer on my shred bike. So this is my shred bike, and this is what a jumping deer would look like on my bike. And that's what I was trying to do, is trying to measure what it would be on my bike. So then I took it into my Fusion and designed up what would a deer of those dimensions look like on my bike. And so after that I got some wire and some chicken wire and gloves to handle it all, and started making the frame. And I was using this chicken wire, but I was using zip ties. And I said, there's got to be an easier way to put this thing together, because with zip ties you have to use two hands. So enter this Dewalt Hog Ring pliers that you can use with one hand. It makes these tiny 7/16 rings, and you can just clip it on, and it's made it so easy. So then I was able to do the head, and then I got a big furry blanket. It was so soft and so wonderful that we were able to take it apart. My wife Birdie and I ripped the seams and spread the blanket over top of the frame, and it was starting to look really good. I wanted to create these amazing antlers like I did last year, and so here they are. And then I want to do eyes, and so I had the idea to animatronic eyes, so I printed up all the materials but had to do some modifications, but ended up just using a single eye. And here's what it looks like. And here's the head. And all this was in preparation to ride in the Holly Springs Parade with the Oak City Shredders. Birdie and I had an amazing time with all of our friends. And here we are, just having a good time, riding around and just showing off a little bit, but also wishing everybody happy holidays and a Merry Christmas. It was just a wonderful time out there with all the people and showing what our one-wheel riders can do. And here's me and Steezuz riding in the parade. So, what should I make next year? Comment below if you have an idea. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. See ya!